Shalom, shalom. This is Thawah, Judah, coming in with another lesson. And first and foremost, I'd like to give all praise and some glory and double honors to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders, apostles, great millstone, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. Shalom to the Akim, that's gathered through four corners of the earth, preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, scattered through the four corners of the earth, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And say shalom to them. And the name of this lesson, the title is going to be The Most High is Raising Up the Tabernacles of David and Restoring the House of David. And I'm going to start with the book of Amos, chapter 9, verse 11, KJV Holy Bible. And in that day, will the Lord shall raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen, and close the breaches thereof. And I will raise up the ruins, and I will build it as in the days of old. So, as the men of the Lord, the prophets of the men of the Lord, starting with the elders, apostles, the great millstone, the great men, the great mighty men of millstone, and the elders in our camp, in the brotherhood, in the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the earth, and the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird. The Most High is restoring the house of David like I was supposed to. The real house of the David, the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans that makes up the lost sheep of the house of Israel, and the Israelites that be like unto the speckled bird. So in these times that we're living in right now, the Most High is definitely raising up men of the Lord, the true servants, the true prophets of the Lord, like I was supposed to be. That's why he's raising up the tabernacle of David that was fallen. It been falling, now it's starting to get risen back up. That's why you see it right before your eyes. That's why the men that's out there preaching the word, preaching this true gospel of the Holy Bible, Israel waking up to who they are in these times that we are living in. That's why he sent the true mouthpieces of the men of the Lord, definitely restoring the house of David. The mighty man of David. Not, the Most High is not, the Most High doesn't want weak men. He wants strong men that stand up boldly and stiffly for Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai. The Most High looking for strong men. Like it says in the scriptures, who should stand up for me against the evildoers. So, that's why you got the men of the Lord, the prophets, the servants that's out there preaching his word truthfully, faithfully, and sincerely. Continue to strive for this truth. Continue to push forth and move forth with this truth. And let this word be heard through the four corners of the earth. And, and the true gospel of this holy scriptures and this holy truth, like I was supposed to be. That's why the Most High is definitely raising up man in these last days. He's raising up strong man, strong-minded, boldly men, like I definitely supposed to. And I'm going to bring it out again. This is the book of Amos, chapter 9, verse 11. In that day I will raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen, and close the breaches thereof. And I raise up his ruins, and I will build it as in the days of old. The Most High, he's the Ancient of Days, Just like the scripture says, the Most High, he will never change. He's still the same, still to this day, Even though we live on to new generations of modern day stuff that's going on. But, since the Most High, he's the creator of everything. And his son, Yahweh Shai, who he ignorantly calls Jesus Christ, they both will never change. They'll definitely remain the same. So, that's why the Most High is raising up the tabernacle of David that was fallen. Now it's getting raised back up at its high esteem, That's why this word is highly being pushed out through the four corners of the earth, truthfully, faithfully, strongly, and sincerely. The Most High is raising up men in these last days raising up the true prophets, the true servants of the man of the Lord, and Lord willing, all the Akim and the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone and the elders in our camp and all the the brotherhood as well too. Lord willing, they be the elect men. Definitely, Lord willing, they be the elect men for pushing this word, truth, and sincerity, and standing boldly for the words of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua, standing up for righteousness like I supposed to. So with that, I just wanted to bring out this little quick lesson. The Most High is raising up the tabernacle of David and restoring the house of David like I supposed to. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and double honors to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders, apostle, Great Millstone, pushing this word, truthfully, faithfully, strongly, and sincerely. Shalom to the Akim that's scattered through the four corners of the earth, pushing this word, truthfully, faithfully, strongly, and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, pushing this word strongly, faithfully, truly, and sincerely. And with that, I will say shalom.